Hi, I'm Nick and I'll be showing you how to make drip coffee using the Baumann Living 2-in-1 espresso and drip coffee machine with milk frother. Alright, so we're going to be brewing our drip coffee. So first off, we have to open up and pour in our water into the tank reservoir. So we're now putting in 10 cups worth of water, which is the maximum capacity of the brewing machine. So just keep pouring it until we reach the capacity. Right, once that's done, we can automatically replace the carafe into the hot plate so that it's ready to catch the coffee. And here we have our reusable and removable filter basket, which we will fill with coffee. So we have to put it in first, and then we will add our corresponding amount of coffee. This coffee is ground for drip, so we'll add about 5 tablespoons or 5 scoops worth of coffee for the corresponding amount that we put in the water tank. Next up, we'll just close the lid and turn on the machine. Now we just have to wait. Alright, and there you have it. We just showed you how to use the drip function on the Baumann Living Espresso drip and coffee maker. You know we can do more with this machine, so stay tuned for other drinks.